A cinnamon roll cake reminds me of a cinnamon bun with that delicious cinnamon sugar swirl throughout the cake, and then it's topped with a light coating of the icing. And you guys, I made it, but I made a healthier version of it with no sugar. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am sharing with you healthier versions of the foods that we love. And today is part 3 of my 3-part series where I am sharing with you 3 of my healthier versions of my favorite holiday desserts. The first one being a blueberry cream cheese dump cake. The second one was a peppermint bark. And then, of course, today, this cinnamon roll cake. This cake is one of my favorites during the holiday season, and I love to sit back, have a slice of it with my coffee, and you can do the same. This is how you put it together. You see that, you guys? You got the swirls of cinnamon that made its way down to the bottom of this cake. Oh my gosh. I set this aside, and now we are going to put some of this icing on top. And here we have it, you guys. A nice slice of a cinnamon roll cake. Yes, you guys, that cake is as good as it looks. And if you're interested in making other healthier versions of the foods that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. Okay, everyone, if you enjoyed this recipe, please do remember to press that like button below. And if you know anyone that could benefit from the recipes that I am bringing you here on this channel, then please do share my channel with them. And also, please remember to press that subscribe button below so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content such as this. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Thanks, guys, and I will see you right here real soon.